Hello, friend. Welcome to a study point cutoff. Today we are going to uh, do physical geography, in which we are going to do solar system. So here you can see the solar system in the picture. So this is a sun. This is a sun. Sorry, and the first planet is Mercury. Second planet is Venus. Third is Earth. Fourth is Mars. Then fifth is Jupiter, sixth is Saturn, seventh is Uranus, and eighth is Neptune. Pluto is not a planet anymore. Pluto has been uh, out from the solar system. So, and here you can see between the Mars and Jupiter, there is a asteroid belts between the Mars and Jupiter. So sequence wise we will know the characteristics of our whole solar system. So first we will talk about the sun. So before that you should know that Copernicus said that Earth and other planets are revolving around the sun, and he told that sun is a center of universe, and the whole planet, everything is revolving around that. And Kepler told about the planet speed around the sun. um, so now we will talk about the sun. So sun is the sun is the um, closest star from the earth. Sun is also a star, and it is the closest to the earth. Second is that sun contains 71% hydrogen, okay, and 26%, 26.5% helium, helium, 26.5% helium, and 2.5% rest of the gas. So sun, in the sun, there's sun get energy from the fusion reaction. In that had two hydrogen atoms combine and make a helium atoms and releases the energy. That is called fusion. Fusion, fusion. And fission reaction, that atom get breaked, uh, especially radioactive molecules. uh, Fourth point is that sunlight comes from the uh, sunlight comes to the earth in about 8 minutes and 16 seconds. Sunlight reaches to the earth in 8 minutes and 16 seconds. Next point is that you can see the black spot in the sun. See, this is a black spots on the sun. This is because that black spots, uh, there's like no reaction is taking place at that place, so they can't able to emit the lights. That's why we can see the black spots on the sun. Okay. Next point is that uh, sun is the uh, biggest object which is closest to the earth. So now we will talk about Mercury. So Mercury, this is a Mercury, okay. So Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and it revolves around the sun in 88 days, and their day temperature is very high, and the night temperature is very cold. and no natural satellite is in the Mercury. And also you know that Venus is also have no natural satellite. So Mercury and Venus are the two planet which is not having any satellite. So next planet is Venus. So Venus is closest to the Earth. Always remember, Mars is not closest to the Earth. Venus is closest to the Earth. And Venus is also called morning star, evening star, brightest star, then hottest planet also. Venus is called. And also remember that sunrise in the west on Venus. On Earth, you know that sunrise from the east, but on Venus the sun rises from the west. So the Venus revolve around the sun from east to west, and the rest of the planet revolves around the west to east. Okay, and also this Uranus also, the sun rises from west and it revolves around the sun from east to west. Okay, so next thing, you know that there is no satellite for the Venus. So next planet is Earth. So Earth is also called a blue planet, and Earth is only the planet where the life exists till now we know. And you know that Earth diameter is on the equator is 12,756 kilometer. On equator, its diameter is 12,756 kilometer, and on the pole its diameter is 12,714 kilometer. So from the pole the diameter is less, on the equator the diameter is more. So the difference is around 42 kilometer. 42 kilometer difference. Divide all of difference. 42 kilometer. And the Earth is tilted on the pole by 23.5 degree. Okay. Earth rotation speed is 27 kilometer per minute. That rotation speed 27 kilometer per minute, and it rotate on its axis in 24 hours, less than 24 hours, little less than 24 hours. And its Earth is called blue planet because 71% water is present here. And Earth is having one natural satellite that is called Moon, and we can see a 59% of surface of Moon from the Earth only 59%. And it revolves around the sun in 365 days and 6 hours, and every 4 years one leap year is added to the Feb month, and it become 29 days, that Feb month. And next point is that climate change on the Earth is due to the tilt position, that is 23.5 degree, and also the Earth position from the sun. And the Earth is closest to the sun on 3rd Jan, that is approximately closest to the sun around 14.7 crore kilometer, and it's farthest from the sun on 4th of July. So closest on 3rd Jan and farthest is 4th July. And also you should know that Robert Peary was the first man who discovered the North Pole, and Amundsen discovered the South Pole. Next point is that Earth's speed of revolution increases when it is closest to the sun, and it decreases revolution speed decreases when it is farthest from the sun. So now we will go to the next planet, that is called Mars. So Mars is also called a red planet because of the presence of iron oxide, and Mars is also tilted on the pole by 25 degrees, due to which the season changes on the Mars too. And Mars is also having the atmosphere that in that atmosphere nitrogen and argons are present. So also the Mars is having two satellites called Phobos and Deimos, and Deimos is the smallest satellite in a whole solar system. Now we will go to Jupiter. Jupiter is a gaseous planet. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars is a solid planet, and from Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, these are the gaseous planet. So Jupiter is the largest planet in our whole solar system, and also having the higher number of satellite, that is approximately 16 satellite, and among that Ganymede is the uh, largest satellite and also the largest in whole solar system. And also you can see that between the Mars and Jupiter there is asteroid belts. See, asteroids belts. Okay, so also Jupiter rotation speed is very less in whole solar system, that is 10 hours. In 10 hours Jupiter rotate in on axis, and but 12 it takes 12 year to revolve around the sun. Next planet is Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet, and it has the largest satellite, that is called Titan, and Titan is also second largest satellite after Ganymede. And Saturn is having 7 rings. Now next is Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet in our solar system, and it's contain highest amount of methane. And next planet is Neptune. Neptune is called green planet also, and last most planet in our whole solar system. So now that's all, and also you should know about the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. What is called solar eclipse? Solar eclipse is nothing when, but only the thing is that one second. Solar eclipse. So solar eclipse, in solar eclipse what happened that like moon comes between the sun and earth. Okay, so that is called solar eclipse. And when the earth come between the moon and the sun, earth come between, that is called lunar eclipse. That's it. So now we will go towards the questions and answer. So question and answer we are doing from the this physical geography for SSC. This is the last year questions, so we will do around 150 questions on this topics. So the first question is that on which of the following planet water cycle is available? So of course our Earth is the planet where the water cycle, life cycle is available. Water cycle, water content present 71%. Next question. The asteroid revolve around the sun in between So we told that between the Mars and Jupiter, asteroid revolve. Next question. Uh, which of the following is called a twin of the Earth? So I told you Venus is called twin of the Earth. Which amidst the following planets has its orbits closest to the Sun? So you know that which planets closest to the Sun is that Mercury. But Mercury option is not given. The second closest is Venus. Okay. Next question. Next question is that the light from the sun reaches to earth in, I told you, 8 minutes and 16 seconds it reaches to the earth. So 8 minute is given but 16 seconds is not given. Okay, fine, we will go with 2 because it's closest. So, and I forgot to tell about that sun temperature. Sun temperature is approximately 6000 degrees centigrade. Sun temperature. So here we will go with 6000 degrees centigrade is the temperature of the sun. 6000. So high. Next question is that which one of the following planet has no moon? No moon means no satellite. No satellite. I told you that Venus and Mercury has no satellite. So we will go with Mercury. Okay. Next question. Next question is that which one of the following is called a red planet? I told you Mercury is called a red planet. Brightest planet is Venus. Milky Way galaxy was first observed by, of course, our own Galileo. Galileo has discovered a telescope also, and by his telescope, he observed our Milky Way galaxy first time in the human history. Next question. Next question is that which of the following statement is correct? Pluto is not a planet now. It's correct. Pluto is not a planet. Pluto was discovered by Salad Tombaugh, कैसा नाम है भाई, in 1930. It's correct. Pluto has been given the number 134340 when it discovered that time only. The 134340 number has given. So we will go with all of the above. Next question is that which is the hottest planet in the solar system? So I told you that Venus is having the hottest planet because it contains 95% of the carbon dioxide, CO2. That's why the sunlight comes but it's not allowed to escape. Next question. Question number 13. The largest planet in our solar system is. So I told you Jupiter is the largest. Second largest is Saturn. Then third is Uranus. Fourth is Neptune. And next question. The fourth largest planet of the solar system in the decreasing order. So I told you just now, Jupiter is the first, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, third number. Next question. The number of satellite of the planet Mercury is. So Mercury is having 0 satellite. Mercury and Venus is having 0 satellite. Which of the following does not belong to the solar system? So asteroid belong to solar system. Planet belongs. Comets belong to solar system. Comets belong, yes. Nebula doesn't belong because when the star die, then it become nebula. So nebula doesn't belong to because it's not in our solar system. Which is the coldest among the following? So coldest planet is technically, this question is wrong because Pluto is not, but Pluto is the coldest one. Next question is that the moon is showing the same face to the earth because ये good question because क्या होता है कि this moon and earth is geosynchronous means that however the earth will rotate at same speed the moon will also rotate so the period of rotation and revolution are the same this third revolution means revolution is moon is doing revolution of the earth and earth is rotating on its own axis that's why it's called the period of rotation of the earth and the revolution of the sun of the moon are the same that's why I told you it's geosynchronous means it isn't synchronous means it's revolve and rotate at the same place that's why we can see the moon is showing the same face to the earth okay next question among the following the celestial body farthest from the earth so which is the farthest from the earth this is technically wrong but we'll go with Pluto we will not do anything because Pluto is not a planet so we will go with Neptune farthest and it farthest from the sun also okay you know Neptune no last one Neptune pulsars 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 क्या होता है तो pulsar क्या होता है कि like these are the rapid spinning star pulsars are the rapid spinning like we ride a pulsar and pulsar goes very fast so that only by that only you should remember that rapid spinning star third next question biggest planet in our solar system of course Jupiter everyone knows next question which is the second nearest star to the earth after the sun you know the sun is also a star so second most like sun is the first okay and second nearest star towards the earth is after the sun is Proxima Centauri second is and third is Alpha Centauri second is Proxima Centauri and third is Alpha Centauri don't mark Alpha Centauri first okay Proxima first is sun nearest then Proxima Centauri then Alpha Centauri next question the outermost layer of the sun is called good point so always remember that outermost layer of the sun is called corona okay corona is called the outermost layer of the sun which planet is called the evening star you know Venus is called evening star morning star everything Venus is called next question the planet revolving east to west I told that Venus and Uranus okay Venus and Uranus revolve east to west okay and sunrise there from west and set in the east so here Venus and Uranus both answer will be correct okay next question is that the planet emitting green light is green light I told green last one which planet is that only emitting the green light okay so Uranus answer is Uranus Green light, Uranus. Always remember. Green is due to the this methane presence, highest number of methane present. Green. Okay, Uranus. Next question is number of zodiacs is. So zodiac, zodiac is what? That is Rasi. So there is 12 Rasi. That is zodiac. Zodiac 12 Rasi. 12 zodiac. Okay. Next question. 28. Which of the following is known as a morning star? So this is Venus only. Which planet orbits closest to the Earth? So I told you, twin sister Venus is also closest to the Earth. Not don't mark Mars. We sent the Mangalyaan and Marvin. That doesn't mean that Mars is the closest. Venus is the closest to us to the Earth. Okay. Solar energy is received by the Earth through. So always remember that Earth get heat or solar energy because of radiation. We didn't take that sun heat directly. We take the Earth get heated always by radiation. Radiation. Okay. Next question. The planet on either side of the Earth are. So this side is Venus and that side is Mars. So fourth number, Mars and Venus. Next question. Which planet look reddish in night sky? Of course, red planet is Mars only because of iron oxide presence. Next question is that isohels are the isoplates of isohels are the isoplate PLETHS plates. Isohel are the isoplates of the, of course, sunshine. Next question. '34 number. Which one of the following is the largest planet? Of course, Jupiter is the largest planet. The mass of Jupiter is approximately is how much? Is 1,000th of the solar mass. Is 1,000th of the solar mass. मतलब कि 1000 बटा में 1 बटा, 1000 में 1 बटा. Okay. Next question. 36 number. The planet nearest to the sun is. So the planet which is nearest to the sun is of course Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars. Okay. Next question is that the planet takes 88 days, of course Mercury. Supernova is. Oh, this is a good question. What is supernova? Supernova is an exploding star. When the star get dying, like when a star is dying, then supernova create, in which the big blast take place. Supernova. Next question. Which planet in our solar system is nearly as big as the Earth? Of course, our twin sister Venus. Which of the following is called blue planet? Of course, our Earth, because of the 71% water content. Which planet is in our solar system is nearly as big as Earth. Mercury नहीं होगा, Venus होगा. Next question. Which planet do not have satellite revolving around them? So always remember Mercury and Venus is not having any satellite. Next question. The planet which has the highest surface temperature is, of course, Venus because of the 95% of the carbon presence. Okay. Next question. Light from the sun reaches to us nearly 8 minutes 16 seconds. Next question. A spinning neutron star is known as, I told you spinning बहुत तेज में spin करता है, that means pulsar गाड़ी बहुत तेज चलता है, like very fast is pulsar and spinning is very fast, then a spinning neutron star is known as pulsar. Okay. Next question. When the moon completely covered the sun, it is known as, so I told you when the moon comes between the sun and earth, that is called what? That is called umbra, and that phenomenon is called solar eclipse. Umbra. Next question. Okay. Next question is that the darkest position of the shadow cast during the eclipse is, so darkest, always remember the darkest portion is that this thing umbra only, and penumbra is little darkest, like light dark, and the darkest is the umbra. The total number of planets revolving around the sun is, it's 8 planets. Now next question. In the solar or the lunar eclipse, the region of the earth's shadow is divided into, so earth's shadow is divided into how many? That is 6 no 3, sorry 3 6 not 3 parts. Earth's shadow gets divided into 3 parts. Okay. One is umbra, darkest part, one is penumbra, and one more is that 3 parts. Always remember. Next question. Day and nights are equal at the, always equal at the equator. Name the first Asian country to orbit Mars. Who is that? Guess. India. Mangalyaan. Which of the following scientists provide that the path of each planet around the sun is elliptical? So who had told that path is elliptical around the sun? Path. Galileo and Copernicus told that every sun is center and everyone is revolving around the sun. Okay, but Kepler told that how much speed in what orbit it's revolving, that told by Kepler. Okay, how much speed and in what orbit. Okay, it's told by the Kepler, and Copernicus told that sun is the center of the universe and all the planets are revolving around that. But it don't tell about the speed and path and orbit. It's not told by the Copernicus. And Galileo first to see the universe, Milky Way universe, by his telescope. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is an alternative theory of Big Bang theory developed in 1948, starting that the universe does not changes even though it is expanding over time. So this theory is what is that? Steady universe. Not change means steady. Steady है तभी ना नहीं change हो रहा है. Next question. The constellation Saptarishi is known to the Western as the Saptarishi, the seven. So the Saptarishi is known in the western side by the Big Dipper. Big Dipper name, by the Big Dipper name they told Saptarishi, Big Dipper. Next question is that, 1 second. Next question, which of these is a dwarf planet? So dwarf planet, that asteroid belt, that is called dwarf planet, that is between the Mars and Jupiter, that is called asteroid belt, and that also called dwarf planet because it's very a small dwarf means Bauna. So dwarf planet is also called dwarf planet. So the answer will be Iris, and Iris is also the first discovered dwarf planet, Iris. Okay. Next question is that a star twinkle but planet does not twinkle because. It's a very good question. They are near to the earth and hence we receive the greater amount of the light, and therefore minor variation in the intensity are not noticeable. Okay, so because a star twinkles because of the thing that number 4, a star twinkles because you know that stars are very far from the earth and the smallest change of the light can be noticeable. Okay, that's why it's twinkles. So they are nearer to the earth and hence we receive the greater amount. Here should be farther amount of the light, and there and planet does not emit any lights, that's why we can't see them twinkle. Next question. The outermost layer of the sun is called, I told you, corona. Corona is the outermost layer of the sun. Next question. On which date in India likely to experience the shortest day? So, of course, the shortest day will be in the month of winter only. So, June will be not the correct option. So, of course, December and January we experience the cold. Okay, so it will be 22nd of December. Okay, then next question will be when does solar eclipse take place? So I told you the solar eclipse takes place when the sun and the moon comes between the sun and earth. That time the solar eclipse takes place. So when the moon in between the sun and earth. When does the sun shine vertical on the equator? When does the sun shine? So it's twice a year. Okay, twice a year. At that time, the sun shines vertically on the equator. 2 times in a year. Next question. If a star is bigger than sun, but not more than twice as big, it will turn into Okay, it's when the star is bigger than sun. Okay, when it's bigger than sun, and so it will be the pulsar. It will start revolving very fast, and eventually it will die. Okay. Now next question. Next question is that mm, which among the following statement is true regarding international dateline? So international dateline is 180 degree longitudes. 180 degree longitudes is saying that which among the following statement is true regarding international dateline? So it's correct, 180 degree longitude. Okay. Fine. So the answer is number 1. And also you know that 0 degree which passes from Greenwich, London, that is the international timeline. Okay, and dateline is 180 degree. And also you know that 180 degree longitude is bend 4 times. Okay. Next question is that sunlight is available 24 hours on the longest day at which of the following latitude of the earth? Sunlight is available 24 hours on the longest day. So it always be on which? So it will be near to the I think it will be on 66.5 degree. 66.5 degree. Next question. Grand Canyon is located on the, so its Grand Canyon is in US, and it is on the Colorado River. Okay, Colorado River is in the Nevada and some part of the New Mexico, I think. Nevada and New Mexico, I think. Next question is that extensive desert occurs in the western tropical region of the continent because western tropical region of the continent. It's because Sahara Desert is there only. This is because of the effort about the offshore easterly trade winds and cold ocean current. Okay, this one, because from that North Atlantic, the Labrador cold winds comes. Because of that, cold wind doesn't contain any cloud, so it will not. And also offshore easterly trade winds. Next question. The deposit of the ancient Tethys were folded to form the Tethys was between that Himalaya and the Indian subcontinent. So I think one will be correct. The Himalaya deposit comes and it fills that sea floor, and that becomes the northern Indian plains, fertile plains. Next question. Let's see. Sixth number question. Which one of the following types of erosion is responsible for the formation of Chambal Valley? So that is Chambal is perennial rivers. So of course that in that monsoon region, monsoon climate, that that occurs gully erosion only, due to which that big valley, Chambal Valley, like Chambal Valley came across. So it's gully erosion. Due to the gully erosion only, Colorado Grand Canyon also made, and Chambal Valley also made. So this is mainly Chambal Valleys on Chambal rivers. Okay, it's in Maharashtra. Sorry, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. The west to east extension of the Himalaya is from. So west to east extension of Himalaya is from Indus, I think Indus to Dihang, Indus to Dihang, Indus to Dihang. Yes, correct. Next question. Most of the devastating earthquakes are usually caused by the. Good question. Is caused by the collision of earth tectonic plates. When the earth tectonic plates, suppose there is two plates, okay, and when they both collide each other, so they both collide each other, so the happens earthquake happens, and that result in the earthquake. Next question. Which one of the following is the greatest circle? Of course, equator is the greatest circle. Next question. Number 10. Hanjing Valley is formed due to the action of glacier. Hanjing Valley is formed due to the action of the glacier. Hanjing Valley. It's very important. Always remember Hanjing Valley. Okay. Sorry. Next question. Number 11. Sorry. Mushroom rocks are the typical landforms seen in mushroom rocks, that plain rocks, mushroom shape, that is always seen in the desert region. Mushroom rocks, especially in Rajasthan, Sahara, mushroom rock, you will see that mushroom type. Next question. Basaltic lava is found in the, of course, in our Deccan Plateau. Basaltic lava. The black soil is in Gujarat. That is lava soil also it's called. It's mainly due to the volcanic eruption. Next question. Which one of the following types of erosion is responsible for the formation of Chambal Range? Of course, I told splash no gully erosion, that called the great valley. Okay. Question number 14. Consider the following geographical phenomena. Development of fault, movement along the fault, impact produced by the volcanic eruption, folding of rocks. So these are the two causes due to cause. These are the three causes of earthquake. So number 1 is correct. Next question. Question number 15. Uh, Sally, Shale, Sally is metamorphosed into which of the following rocks? So Sally's is a metamorphism of salt, SL slate, SLAT, Sally, 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 slate, Sally, slate, metamorphosis of the slate, right. Okay. Next question, question number 16. Uh, where are the hot desert generally found? So, of course, this hot desert is in the western part, that is the Sahara, western margin of the tropics, Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn. Next question. Why are the winter more severe in southern hemisphere than in the northern hemisphere? Earth is tilted towards the sun in the northern hemisphere. Correct. Why are the winter more severe in southern hemisphere than the northern hemisphere? Earth is tilted towards the sun in the northern hemisphere. Correct. So we have done around 100 questions. I hope you like this and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.